Welcome back to the Fragrance Wardrobe. Today I got it in yesterday, going to unbox it today. Got a couple of fragrances from Sephora. I had to order these. They weren't in store, so placed an order. Got a couple of them in, and accidentally, I think, ordered a fragrance that I already have a fragrance of. So, giveaway. We're going to do a full bottle giveaway on this video as well. Alright. So I will give you guys the first impressions of openings and dry down of the two that I've never smelled before, and the other one I'll give you a little bit of a rundown on it, and we'll do a giveaway. So let's crack it open. Alright, got some packing here. First up, I got the new Dior Homme Sport. So this one, I think it's like Dior Homme Sport 2020, but Fragrantica says it came out in 2022. I don't know. It must be like very end of 2021. So very new release. I also have Kilian's Verte. So I think I'm pronouncing that right. Verte, because I think the T is like silent. I think. But yeah, this one from the LHeure collection. It's actually going to be the last one I needed to complete my collection of the LHeure collection. And I got a 50 ml of one I already got by mistake. It's going to be Givenchy Gentleman Eau de Parfum Boisé. So we're giving away Givenchy Gentleman Eau de Parfum Boisé. I'll let you guys know how you can win this toward the middle of the video. Alright, let's go ahead and crack open the Verte from Kilian. So, nice presentation. It's going to slip up like that, and there's your bottle. The bottles are designed to look like rock glasses that you would drink, usually like whiskey, bourbon, stuff like that from. Alright, a little bit of a greenish color juice, which the name would kind of, suggest that it would be a little bit green. Let's see. And let's get a spray. Ooh, that's kind of good. I like it. I don't think it's going to be for everyone, which Kilian is not for everybody. They make a lot of, it's a niche company. The scents are going to be a little bit different than your mass appeal designers, so definitely not for everyone. Kind of digging this one though. I think it has absinthe in it, and I am picking up that licorice liquor. I am picking up kind of like that licorice liqueur type of scent going on with it. Kind of nice. If you don't like the scent of like licorice liqueurs, stuff like that, not going to be for you, but it does give you like that green licorice liqueur type of thing going on with this one. I dig it. I think it's pretty nice. This is going to be, I think you could probably wear this year round, whereas LHeure, Apple Brandy on the Rocks, stuff like that is going to be pretty much cool cold weather. Roses on Ice would be like a good warm weather one, and this one, I think you could wear that year round. So pretty nice. I'm digging that one quite a bit. I might have to wear it tomorrow, maybe. All right, let's go ahead and dive into the new Dior Homme Sport. Yeah, I don't know why I was about to say cologne. Jeez. All right, so we got the 75 ml. This one not in our store quite yet, but it is online, so you can grab it online. I have the 2017 Dior Homme Sport. Like it quite a bit. So we'll see if this one's any good. Okay. So there's our bottle, typical Dior Homme bottle. Can't really tell on the camera, but the juice color is a little bit darker than the 2017 Dior Homme Sport. This one a little bit darker. Give this one a spray. Good atomizer on it. It's different than the 2017 Dior Homme Sport. It is different. Getting kind of a nice citrus in the opening, kind of like a sport fragrance would typically have, like a citrus, kind of sporty like that. Getting the citrus, I want to say there's some woods in the background, but I'm going to have to let it dry down to see what all it's going to turn into in the dry down. So far, pretty appealing. I think it'll sell pretty well, like in stores. I think it's probably going to sell pretty well. Going to go ahead and let both of these dry down. We'll come back in about 3 hours, do a dry down rundown, let you guys know how these things are drying down, and then I'll tell you how you can win Givenchy Gentleman Eau de Parfum Boisé. Alright guys, it's been 3 hours since I first sprayed the Verte from Kilian and Dior Homme Sport 2021. Let's go ahead and see how these things are dried down. Also, if you want to win this bottle of Givenchy Gentleman Eau de Parfum Boisé, why don't you put in the comments, well, of course, I'd like you to be a subscriber, although I can't really tell if you are or not. But yeah, put in the comments something like, put in the comments Boisé. Just put Boisé somewhere in your comment. That'll enter you into the giveaway. I'll do a drawing in maybe a week or so, and I'll post the winner on the community tab, so look out for that. But yeah, we'll do that in about a week. Go through the comments, do a random comment picker, and whichever first one that has the comment Boisé, you're entered. It is going to be international as well, so if you're overseas, feel free to enter. I'll ship it to you, no problem. All right, let's go ahead and dive in to these two scents. So first up, we have Kilian LHeure Verte. My French isn't good, so LHeure Verte from Kilian. The scent, I've lost a little bit of that licorice feel from it, just a little bit. Still kind of get a little bit of a greenness going on, a little bit of like that absinthe note or accord going on. The licorice is still there, but it's not as dominant as it was in the opening. I feel like I'm getting some patchouli as well, a little bit of like a sweet green patchouli. Maybe some woods going on. So yeah, it's going to be different. It's not going to be a safe blind buy whatsoever. Definitely go to, I don't know, maybe Nordstrom's, check out your Sephora nearby you, somewhere. Go somewhere and try to sample this before you buy it. Don't blind buy it. Although I do think a lot of people are going to enjoy the scent. Hasn't gotten much hype that I've seen anyway from the community. Haven't seen it get a whole lot of talk, not like LHeure did, but I do think it's a pretty pleasant scent. Kind of really enjoying it, but I like those green type of scents. It's kind of green, a little bit woody, a little bit kind of licorice. Kind of nice, kind of nice. So definitely try before you buy. So don't buy it just because I say it's a nice scent. It's a lot of money, so it's like $195 a bottle. Definitely don't blind buy that. All right, let's go ahead with Dior Homme Sport 2021. I keep wanting to say Dior Homme Cologne. I have no idea why. Pretty good. So in the opening, I think I forgot to mention, I was getting like a citrus pepper type of thing, but not like a black pepper, kind of like a light pepper. Now, In the dry down, the citruses have kind of dried down a little bit, kind of died off a little bit. I'm getting a lot more woods going on. Yeah, it's woody. So it's a woody scent in the dry down with that little touch of citrus. You know what? To be honest, I kind of think it has the fresh opening of Dior Homme 2017, maybe, but the dry down is very much Dior Homme 2020. So if you have Dior Homme 2020, know what that smells like. You pretty much know what the dry down of this is going to be like. It's not as I don't think it's as sharp as the Dior Homme 2020. But yeah, I think in the dry down of Dior Homme Sport 2021, it resembles Dior Homme 2020 quite a bit. The woods do. Might be getting a little bit of an ambery, maybe a little bit of an amber in there as well, but not enough to really jump out. Well, is Dior Homme Sport 2021 worth the buy? If you're a collector of Dior Homme fragrances, absolutely. Does it smell bad? No. Are you like a collector with a lot of fragrances? Probably not going to be worth your time to buy this one. If you're somebody who's just looking for a new fragrance though, or just maybe you have one or two fragrances, not a bad fragrance. It smells good, but for a collector, you're going to think that it's a little generic, and it is a little bit generic. It definitely reminds me of Dior Homme 2020 a little too much to say you need to add this to the collection. But like I said, if you're someone who doesn't have a ton of fragrances, you're looking for one, you have maybe one or two, something like that. You're looking for something that's just a pleasant light woods type of scent that you can wear here and there. It's a pretty good fragrance for that. But for a collector, I can't hype this one up. It's I don't know. It's just kind of too generic to me. Now, Kilian Verte. Yeah, I like this one quite a bit. Personally, I think this is much better than this. I'm happy I bought this. This is probably, I don't know, I think it's really good. I enjoy it quite a bit so far. So we're going to have to give it some wearings and we'll get a full review of it. But so far, I think it's definitely worth going out and trying. Not blind buying, but going out and trying. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Please do like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've tried either of these. If so, what do you guys think? Also, don't forget, enter the giveaway to win this unopened sealed bottle of Givenchy Gentleman Eau de Parfum Boisé. I'll ship that out to you free of charge. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.